Yeah, yeah, no, that they want. No, you don't see that.
Alright, so it's the same color as thingy's one, isn't it? Silver nose, isn't it?
Same color.
Silver
Same
nose.
colour,
He's got more. You got more green. He's got less green.
I've got more green in it.
Emerald green.
This is emerald green though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Emerald green, yeah.
I'm gonna say
I'll give him some free head. Just give me the funny, isn't it?
Trade.
Fair trade, isn't it?
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, that guy changed his bike soon. Petrol डालने का है.
उधर ही तो. Ticket drop से डलवाने में.
No, do it from here. Oh, listen, how many balls? Kitni balls hai? 2 balls? We're going Southport today. वहाँ पे कोई और वहाँ से डाल लेते हैं.
The long stick. I found it. Really long one.
Let's go. Bismillah.
The heated grips are on.
Bro, no heated grips for me now.
Yeah, obviously, bro. I've gone from 40 degrees, man. सर्दी लगी है.
Yeah, body would take a day or so. Check up the kilometer.
That's it. Not bad. This is what we were missing that day, isn't it? We were just cruising, normal cruise. I'm on your right, money.
Yes.
Asaf, I watched this TikTok, yeah, there's a group of 5 of them,
Yeah.
and you know what, they were all synchronized, weaving left, right, like this, you know, doing that, but everyone was synchronized in a line, doing the weaving. It was good
That'd be good if we had someone at the back recording.
Hey, where's Saad, by is there?
Yeah, I'm here. Just beside.
Sun's out. Sun's out.
Saad, I'm gonna go Doncaster to a wheelie school, do you wanna come?
Really cool.
I'm not interested for now, boy, but yeah, that Three Sisters one, I'm in.
No, not the track. This is it's only wheelie training, yeah, it's their bike, training you how to do wheelie safely. Or there's one in Manchester, it's only £30 and you could use the machine to train you as well.
Yeah, I've seen that one. They've built this.
I don't think. अभी हड्डियाँ पूरी होगी भाई. मेरा ख्याल है.
I can do a wheelie on this now. I can do a wheelie. Line up for the race, boys. Others got your bike.
Yeah. It's fast.
That's a smug boy. It's a smug boy.
आजो.
Wait, Tesla है, ऐसे पता करते. आसे बनी रहा है. We'll stop at this shell garage for Saad Bhai, innit? This got so much torque, man. Is it not power wheelie, this one?
I'm gonna keep this. No, wheelie on this.
What's that dial there? Is it dial? Oh no, it's not. Is that fluid?
It's the throttle body, the body.
Oh, right.
Yeah, once I sell this one, the Suzuki I bought. Have you seen it? Yeah, Sad took it the other day for a spin.
What is it?
Suzuki Cruiser. It's a cruiser. It's a big long cruiser.
Camera head.
There's a camera, yeah.
अब जैसा कोई मेरी जिंदगी में आए.
I thought they'd all got German done. They're still here
They're
though.
still here, fuck knows what they do.
What's the Abba scene like? Is it any good?
Expensive, I heard.
Nah,
Other than that,
it's
nothing.
not good. I've been a couple of times. The standard is not alright.
Straight, you know? Yeah, we're going straight on this, whatever it is. Guildway.
A flyover.
You guys have to come.
Who's not here? Is there a Southport here?
That's here, everyone's here.
Nice. So we're like chugging around it.
From behind.
एक दिन मारी को वायरल करेंगे हैं
Virus.
वायरस
Suzuki.
बहुत कुछ देखा
Oh, Barney. We're gonna go first exit and the next roundabout.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, he can't lean, man. He's leaning good. And the DSX 1000 head to head. Back it out. DSX is beating the Volkswagen Kawasaki. No messing around with the SX 1000. He was right there. He wasn't sure, he probably thought, that's it, fucking sell this corner. I want one of those green stuff. Nah. Bro, he got scared. He probably thought Kawasaki beated me. Fucking Suzuki, no chance.
They got stuck out of the Suzuki there.
He's been respectful now.
गाने वो खुद ही सुन सकेंगे ना.
You're going straight.
Straight.
You're in the right. Yeah, straight.
Yeah, now 50. Yeah, this is how it's speed now.
British camera starts there. Yeah.
British camera, yeah. Okay.
Average.
We're doing 30, bro.
We're doing 30, 40. Go, deal. The deal. I'm doing 50 now, bro. 50 Rama se Hara. Look at that guy, look at that guy.
See, Blackpool all the way there. All clean.
Yes, oh shit, yeah, you can see it. Whoa.
That's the Blackpool beach.
It's just there, isn't it? Yeah. So I knew that was coming then. You've got that premonition.
Second exit. Second exit. Second exit.
Esplanade.
Bro, it looks empty.
Casino.
घोड़े भी हैं घोड़ों पे झूला लेंगे मिलके
Ah.
It looks empty.
हमें जाना ये वाला ये
It's empty.
Gentlemen and ladies. Oh, there's a couple of bikers.
ये तो भरा होता पूरा एरिया
Bro, these are proper bikers, and that's what they are like, cause all the pussies are still inside. There's these guys, they don't mind it.
Huh?
They don't mind it.
Yeah.
Oh, dog friendly.
Welcome to the fun bench.
जा भाई
Do kali.
ऑलरेडी नाली
Hey, who joined the Discord? Is that Deal? Is it you?
It's probably a...
imposter player
Yeah, I literally.
I
At least you put it on, right? I go, what these boys up to? And then I heard Asif say, what was it? These guys are pussies that are not coming out in rain or something. I'm going to check this guy out, gangster. Oh, you bunch of. How is it in Southport, man? I've been
Bro,
there before.
Southport, fucking awesome.
I brought back 10 sleeves.
How does my bag look with one mirror?
Yeah, that's cool, man.
I reckon, should I order new ones or should I fucking take both of them off? Oh, God.
Maybe get foreign mirrors.
Right, I'll jump in front.
Roads are shit. Fucking bouncy roads.
Yeah, bouncy roads. A little bit bouncy. It gets better.
Fucking hell, a deal. No, that's not deal, that's not deal. have no, you know these Hondas, they spray so much water, man. Honda. Like on Sards, really spraying all over. I have to say back.
Because it got a tail tidy, isn't it?
Oh yeah, you've got tail tied in it, yeah.
Alright, bhai, I'll take left from here.
Okay, bye. Thank you for coming.
Nice ride, nice to see you guys. Thank you, bhai, for inviting. Okay, ji, yalla ma'assalam.
And bye, you don't eat anything?
No, bro, I just had the late lunch before I left, so I'm alright.
Munche, watch out, there's a mommy there, yeah?
Man, some bubbles.
Yeah, the shawarma is alright. Yeah, you can try it. It's good fresh shawarma. Fine, type of.